2-minute. You got in here, which was here, right? It came up here, you could have scalped some, came up here, pulled back, you could have got rid of some more. It came down here and you would have got out, right? Because that's the break and hold of VWAP. So 2-minute EWO, you would have collected here, here, finished inside of here when it broke VWAP. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
That's exactly what your 2-minute would have looked like for you guys today on Tesla. Showing a sign here. This is what's crazy. Let me draw this out. So it's still bullish. It's still bullish. Hold on. Remember how we do this every time? But this one's a little harder to tell. You see it right here. This is a nice bull flag. So I'm not super concerned, but we do have some indicators that are starting to give us threatening signs, right? You see your super trend here. You can also see down here that buyers are fading. You see right here on your EWO.
Yeah.
But honestly, as long as it's staying above VWAP, just depending upon how much you have in, what your risk tolerance is, and of course, where you got in to know, is this still viable for you to be in there or not? Because otherwise, what you're looking at is this channel that it's in, right? Right there, right? So I don't like it breaking 312.66 because that's where it touched just a second ago. And it's got all this downward pressure to the downside. Because what that means, if this breaks this 312.66, this could then try to make a flush back down to VWAP before it decides what it wants to do again. I can see other critical levels like 312.09 is one. Let me see. I can see one. This one's kind of weak, but 312.42. But honestly, if it was me and I'm in a call, I don't like it below 312.66. I just don't. Ugh. I can always re-enter later again, but I want to collect the money that I've made, you know? Just like this. So with Uber, its critical level is going to be this, what is this, 40. So Uber has to stay above 40. Otherwise, same thing. It can try to pull back down to VWAP. Shop's completely flat. Let me show you what Shop looks like. See how it's heavy on the vine? Doesn't mean it's not going to come back, but look at the difference here. Let me draw this for you. You see how it's heavy? What I mean by that is it goes up nicely, and now the vine's starting to curve like this, right? You see it?